AggreFill for ChipFill. Here, you will see how easily AggreFill is applied. For larger potholes with a diameter of up to 1 square meter and a depth of 25 to 60 millimeters, it is recommended to combine ChipFill with AggreFill for increased resilience and durability. AggreFill is a hot-applied, pre-coated repair system which should be applied in layers together with ChipFill. In this innovative two-part system, ChipFill functions as the binder, while AggreFill works as the filler. Here is how it is done. Start by sweeping the surface to remove any dirt and loose particles. Afterwards, use a heat torch to remove all moisture from the area and make sure that is totally dry before installation. Apply a layer of ChipFill to a depth of 15 millimeters to the entire surface. Use the heat torch to heat the ChipFill to a fully molten and liquid state. Add in AggreFill to completely fill the void. Use the heat torch to heat the AggreFill until the coating is fluid. Pour on enough ChipFill to fill the space and create a crown of approximately 30 millimeters. Heat the ChipFill until it becomes liquid and flows into the voids between the AggreFill. Add a new layer of ChipFill if necessary. Finish off the repair by post-sprinkling glass grains on the repaired area. Then, once ChipFill has cooled, check with a gloved hand to ensure that the surface is firm before reopening the area to traffic. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Gevico Markings makes preventive road maintenance easy, providing the complete solution for almost any type of road and surface damage. Contact your supplier or Gevico Markings to learn more. Together, we can keep the roads safe.